Hello beauties and gents, welcome back to my channel. So if you are new here, then my name is Miss Bin Pinky, and by the title you all know that today's video is a whole video, and I got lots of things from Bondi Boost and I can't wait to share with you all. Okay, and this is all hair care, I think, and also I think I got some skin care here too. And if you haven't watched my last whole video, like I did share some makeups and skin care which I bought from Sephora and also from Chemist Warehouse, Model Rock Cosmetics, so do check it out, and it's on my channel. And if you're coming from Instagram and also from TikTok, then hi, welcome to my channel, and do subscribe if you want to see more. And if you haven't like followed me on TikTok or on Instagram, do check out my page. And also I have a Facebook page too, and I do work for Bondi Boost, and also I do share on Instagram and also on TikTok when there is a new product launch. Also when there is sale going on their website, I do post with the code, and like I always buy for myself too when there is sale. Okay, you save a lot. I did make a playlist on TikTok, so it's easy for you to find. I do post lots of random videos too, just cause like sometimes I have nothing to post, so I post some random videos. So yeah, without further ado, let's see. I can't wait. So yeah, let's open this one first. This one I already used it, and I think I shared on my Instagram stories and also TikTok. Okay, so this one is Bondi Boost Heichi shampoo and conditioner. So this is really good. As you can see, my hair, I literally love it, and I love dark hair. Okay, so this is one of my favorite hair color. If you haven't watched the coloring video, and if you want to know which color I have used, this color is really good. The video is up on my YouTube channel. So literally this product is really good, and this is the best. Okay, Bondi Boost hair care products are best, and I just love it. It works for me, and I will say it will work for everyone. Like everyone in my house who uses Bondi Boost products, especially my girls, like they use it all the time. They never use, since like I started collaborating with Bondi Boost, like I love their products so much, and I was saving it, but my girls used it once and they want it. So half of my shampoo conditioner are in their bathroom, so they are using it, especially my little one. If you haven't seen my little one's hair, like she's using this Bondi Boost products, her hair is growing so fast, and also like it's so long, and like I don't use like harsh chemicals on my girls' hair nowadays, because I want their hair to look healthy and also grow. So my little one's hair grows so quickly. If you are following me on TikTok, like you should have seen her hair. Like it's so pretty. Like you don't have to straighten it, you don't have to curl it. Like I think naturally her hair is so pretty. And my daughter Eliza's hair is exactly like me, very frizzy, but like her hair is growing too. And also I have colored her hair dark because she has previously colored her hair, and like I don't like especially blonde on her hair, so she doesn't like it too, so her hair is dark too. So yeah, let's see what I got in here. So I think someone opened this box, I think. So let's see. If you want to check it out, like I will link the website details below in the description box. So it comes very nicely packed, and this one dissolves in water. Okay, all this styrofoam thingy. So the first one is this rapid repair conditioner. This one I love it, the shampoo and conditioner. This is 300 ml, so this is a small one, and I got the big one too, which I'm using it. Like, I think the conditioner or shampoo just finished yesterday, so I'm going to use this one. And let's see what else I got. Okay, oh my god. Okay, so this one is Rapid Repair Serum, and this one is Hair Tonic. So hair tonic, I have to find out how to use these products, because this is just a serum and this one is a tonic. So directly into the scalp. Okay, massage with your fingertip. Wow. I got this thickening therapy hair mask. I have heard a lot about this product. This product works well, so I'm going to try it, and I'm going to post the video one day, and I'm going to like talk about more in my upcoming videos after trying. Okay, so the next thing I got is Miracle Hair Mask. And the next thing I got is Rapid Repair Hair Mask. So this one I think comes with shampoo, Rapid Repair shampoo, conditioner and mask. They are 3-piece set, I think, comes together. Can't wait to try. Right, the next thing I got is, what is this? Kale Boss styling cream. Okay, so can't wait to try this. Okay, let's see what I got in here. They are from Bondi Boost too. Don't know how many times I'm gonna say all that, but I think this one is like skincare. This one comes very nicely packed too. First one is this gentle gel cleanser. And then I got Ultra Repair Eye Cream. Oh my god, my tummy is rumbling. Okay, eye cream. I don't know like it works or not, but I will try, and then I'm gonna be letting you all know. Okay, so the next one I got is this Ultra Hydration Day Cream. And the next thing I got is this Ultra Repair Night Cream. Okay, day cream, night cream. And the next thing is this Dullness Plus Dark Spot with Vitamin C. So I just wanted to try this product, but then I got all of this too. So this will like removes dark spots on our face, I think, and I hope this will work, but I'm gonna be reviewing it after using. So as you can see, my skin looks really nice, but like, yeah, I do have dark spots, and I do have like acne problems a lot sometimes. Depends on what I'm eating. Okay, so the next product, I think this one is the last one. This Ultra Repair Neck Cream. Neck cream with hyaluronic acid, retinol, collagen plus probiotic. So yeah, can't wait to try all this. So yeah, this is it from Bondi Boost, and if you want to know more, you should definitely follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and also on my Facebook page. I do post. Sometimes I post on TikTok, sometimes I post on Instagram, and sometimes I do post on my Facebook page. And like, my Facebook page literally has 90,000 fans. Like, literally, it's growing day by day. So yeah, do follow me there. Like, if you want to know more about these products, and if there is sale going on, they always have sale on their website. And like, I do post whenever there is sale. I do get free products from them too, but these ones I bought, okay? But this one, the Heichi shampoo and conditioner, I got it for free. But these ones I bought, but I used code. When they sale on their website, you can save a lot, and like it's an Australian company and literally best, okay? You all take care. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.